now in the center turn lane, continuing eastbound on 25th. And in a field going northbound. Not sure he can get anywhere through this field. Coming up by Mayfair Circle, might have to turn around. Turn around, going back southbound in that field towards 25th. So yes, he's working his way northbound. He's coming up to 20th now. Stand by on DOT.
Holding traffic,
We have a bailout running eastbound on 20th. Eastbound to 20th, south side of the road. White male, bald, dark shorts, and no shirt. Southbound over the brick wall, working his way eastbound. Hop to second, we're all, just keep coming east. There's a unit that's in contact. He's given up, he's on the ground. One unit's with him, second unit's coming up. 2002 Hartwell is where the subject's being secure.